got a monster truck, I'm sure it could.
Did it? Ah, it rolled again.
Dad, I made it with my friend in here. Hunter.
Nope.
Thank you.
You recording, Connor?
Yeah.
Your phone. Take the battery from the back.
Hopefully my other battery is fully charged.
Brian, it's stuck.